Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook emoji. While sending a text message on your Facebook Messenger, if you're noticing that you are not being able to send any emojis, then here are some fixes you could try out. The main reason for that to happen is maybe you are using an outdated version of Facebook Messenger application. Simply go to your Play Store and search for Messenger into the search box. Once you find the application, see if your application needs an update. You'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the application if your app needs an update. But if you see an open button, that means your application is already up to date. Simply tap it on and move ahead. What you can do is simply close off your background apps that is running on your Android device. Simply find your Messenger application in the app drawer and press hold to the app. Once you press for a few seconds, you'll be able to see this pop up. Tap on uninstall and uninstall your Messenger application. In the pop-up, confirm by tapping on OK so that you can uninstall the application from your Android. Once you've uninstalled the app, go back to Play Store and reinstall your application. Search for Messenger into the search box and reinstall your application. Once you've done that, tap on the open button, log into your Messenger application, and now go ahead and try sending your emoji on Facebook. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use emojis to the fullest on Facebook since it is having some issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.